This is Malharpura farm in Anand, Gujarat. A 160-acre farmland, but the land was not fertile.
मेरा नाम कीर्तिवर्धन मर्जी NDDB का मल्हारपुरा करके फार्म है। इसमें सालाना सोडिक का प्रॉब्लम आया था, इसलिए यहाँ पे सब सरफेस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम का हम प्रोजेक्ट लगा रहे हैं।
The objective was simple: remove excess saline water from below the soil, improve soil condition and restore farming. For lateral drains, 37 kilometers of Astral GeoRex pipes were installed, and for collector drains, 10 kilometers of Astral D-Rex pipes were laid. Together, they formed a complete underground drainage network. In this system, water from below the surface enters the GeoRex pipe through its perforated design and synthetic filter. The network then carries this water to the main drain. This reduces excess salts in the soil, lowers the water table, and gradually improves land fertility. The National Dairy Development Board has undertaken this project with the expectation of significantly reducing soil salinity and sodicity over the next 2-3 years. This is expected to improve crop yield by 20-40% across the entire 160 acres of land. Astral GeoRex subsurface drainage system, engineered for better soil, designed for long-term results.